Uh, Thank you, Madam Chair. Honorable members of the Permanent Forum, my name is Muhammad Abdullah from Aceh, Sumatra. I stand before you today to bring attention to the long-standing struggle of indigenous people of Aceh, Sumatra for independence from Indonesia. For centuries, we have been fighting for our right to self-determination, but Indonesia has constantly ignored our demand and instead committed numerous human rights abuses against us. The Indonesian government has a long history of disregard for human rights in Aceh, including forced displacement, torture, and extrajudicial killing. The 2004 tsunami that devastated our region was followed by militarized relief efforts that only exacerbated the suffering of our people. Despite the 2005 Helsinki Peace Agreements, which promised autonomy and human rights protections, Indonesia has failed to implement its commitment. Our people continue to face discriminations, marginalizations, and violence. We demand independence from Indonesia and the right to self-determination. We demand justice for past human rights abuses and accountability for those responsible. We demand an end to the militarization of our region and the recognition of our culture and linguistic identity. We urge you to support our struggle for independence and to hold Indonesia accountable for its actions. We will no longer be silent and we will no longer be oppressed. Thank you.